Hello, welcome to the News of the Wild project. Yesterday there was a big problem in the Amazon, illegal mining of diamond gold and coltan. Illegal mining is causing devastating effects in the Amazon due to the presence of dredgers, boats and other equipment used to extract the gold that destroys forests, as well as the indiscriminate use of mercury that harms the health of the local population.
Classification of the pollutants. First, nature. We have the gold and the mercury. The mercury helps the gold to separate from another substances. The mining machines make sounds that disturb the animals that inhabit the area, causing their displacement and loss of the biodiversity of this area. Action time, acute, occurs suddenly and in large quantities over a short period of time. The impacts the mine leaves are big. For example, geologically, due to removal of the superficial layers of the land, the inability of the land is produced, and when the rock formations are exposed, erosion occurs, which is the main cause of landslides. And finally, degradations. Persistent pollutants like the mercury, its effect along, and it doesn't just affect the environment but the animals and the natives.
Mining is a dangerous activity. Mining is harmful for the environment of the Amazonas and also people inside it. By mining, you get this different type of chemicals, such as mercury, that affects people, water, soil, and the air of that place. This is harmful also for people and different biodiversity inside them by these chemicals.
However, mining can also have negative effects on the Amazon economy. For example, mining can displace local communities and disrupt natural ecosystems, which can affect the local economy and the traditional way of life of local communities. Additional, large-scale mining activity can have a negative impact on biodiversity and water quality, which can have a negative impact of the local economy. In addition, the releases of the Amazon economy on mining may be an economic risk factor, as mining is an economic activity that depends on global mineral prices. This may make the Amazon economy more vulnerable to global market fluctuations and economic instability.
There are some species in danger because this type of mining, like the giant turtle, the jaguars, also the gold frog and the birds. Here we are with some natives of the Amazon.
Animals like this one are in danger because of mining.
Mining causes deforestation and destroys the habitat of these animals.
We are here with a native person in the Amazon. What is happening here? How are you affected?
The impacts of illegal mining are serious violations of human rights. The contamination of water and the expulsion of indigenous people, involuntary isolation are some indicators of damage to the common good.
And how the indigenous people stop the multinationals from mining their territory?
Okay, so these native people of Amazonas stop this type of actions by protesting because they don't want that the territory is going to be damaged. So they protest and that multinations stops and they don't do anything. In conclusion, the multinations and all the people don't have to do this type of actions because we can affect us like indigenous and our territory.
Because mining is so dangerous for the environment, we must reduce the amount of chemicals that are released into mining. First, we also need to identify where the problem is when chemicals are released, then stop them right now. Also, we could try to use renewable energy to start mining instead of carbon energy.